Hey everyone, today we are checking out Taja.ai, a tool that claims to help you optimize your videos, boost engagement, and even create YouTube shorts automatically. But does it actually work? Let's dive in and find out. So, what is Taja.ai? Taja.ai is an AI powered tool for YouTube creators. The idea is simple it automates the boring stuff like writing SEO friendly titles, description, generating tags, and even suggesting thumbnails. Not only that, but it also detects key moments in your videos and turns them into YouTube shorts. That's right, it finds viral clips for you. Sounds cool, right? But let's see it in action and check it if it's actually worth it or not. Okay, I have got a test video uploaded. Let's see how Taja AI helps us optimize it. First up, let's check out the title and description generator. Wow, okay. It instantly gave me a catchy SEO friendly title and well structured description, all without me having to think about it. Honestly, this is a huge time saver, but let's keep going. Next, let's see how well it generates tags for our video. Alright, it's pulling in some high ranking keywords related to my content. Not bad at all. This could definitely help my video show up in search results more often. Now let's talk about thumbnails. We all know that good thumbnail is equal to more clicks. Taja AI does not design thumbnails, but it gives you ideas for what kind of visuals and text might work best. It's not a replacement for Photoshop or Canva, but it's nice touch. Alright, next up is a chapter detection. Let's see if it correctly splits my video into sections. It started generating, and yes, it just automatically added timestamps and chapter titles based on the content. This makes my video way more engaging and improves watch time, which is great for the YouTube algorithm. Now, this is the feature I was most excited about. Taja AI can actually find the best moments in your long video and turn them into YouTube shorts. And boom, it just pulled out a short, high energy clip from my video and formatted it perfectly for shorts. This is actually crazy because it means I can repurpose my content effortlessly instead of manually editing clips. So now that we have tested it, let's talk about good and the bad. It saves your time, no more manual SEO work. It also boosts video performance, helps with discoverability. It also user-friendly, simple interface, short generator, huge plus for repurposing content. Let's talk about cons. It's a paid tool. The descriptions and titles are good, but you might need to tweak them to match your style. So, how much does it cost? Alright, let's talk pricing. Taja AI has three plans for year and month. The starter plan at $49.99 per month is perfect if you are working with up to 6 long form videos a month and need ultimate short generation and scheduling. The semi-pro plan at $79.99 per month gives you more flexibility with 12 long-form videos plus everything from the starter plan. The pro plan at $109.99 per month is for those who need ultimate long-form video optimization and short generation. Taja AI's yearly plans after great value for long-term use. You can see here they are giving a starter plan for year in $490 and it includes 6 long-form videos, ultimate shorts and content scheduling. In semi-pro, in semi-pro plan, $790 per year covers 12 long-form videos, ultimate shorts, and content scheduling. In pro plans, it will cost you $1099 per year, offer ultimate long-form video optimization and short generation. Choosing a yearly plan gives you savings while unlocking additional features to enhance your content creation workflow. There is also 7-day free trial, so you can test it before committing. So, should you use Taja AI? If you are a serious YouTube creator who wants to save time, optimize your videos, and grow faster, this tool is a game changer. But if you are just starting out or prefer doing everything manually, you might want to try the free trial before investing in a plan. What do you think? Will you try Taja AI? Let me know in the comments below.